Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to automatically backup Google Photos to Google Drive in 2025 so that your memories stay synced and safe in both the places. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to understand that as of 2025, Google Photos and Google Drive no longer auto sync by default. But don't worry, you can still set up a workaround using Google Takeout. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for takeout.google.com. Now, once you are here on this page, you need to make sure that you log in into your account. Only then you will be able to see these options here. Now you need to simply just scroll down and only select the Google Photos. You need to choose the export format and select the delivery method as add to drive. This will create a complete backup of your Google Photos in your drive once. Now, if you want automatic syncing, you can open Google App Script as well with the help of this URL, that is script.google.com. You can create a script that copies your new photos from your photos library to a drive folder at regular intervals. It is a one-time setup and it can run on a schedule as well. So here, once you have backed up, you can create the folder by the year or event inside the Google Drive to create everything in a neat and clean manner. You can also enable Drive's desktop sync so that all of the backed up photos are available offline too. So that's how you can automatically back up Google Photos to Drive in 2025, even if Google doesn't offer the built-in sync anymore. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.